What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, networks, and data from unauthorized access, attacks, or damage. It involves using tools, technologies, and practices to keep digital information safe. Example: imagine you have a password on your email account. Cybersecurity helps protect that password from hackers trying to break in and read your messages. Why cybersecurity is important? Cybersecurity is important because it protects sensitive information, such as personal data, financial details, and business secrets, from being stolen or misused. It helps keep systems and networks safe from cyber attacks that could disrupt services, cause financial loss, or even harm people. In today's digital world, cybersecurity is essential to ensure trust, privacy, and the smooth operation of businesses, governments, and personal devices.